Hey there, friends. Jessica here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a little mistake that happens to the best of us, setting the wrong birthday on Roblox. If you've been scratching your head trying to figure this out, don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you're over or under 13, I'll walk you through the steps. All right, first things first. You can do this on the Roblox app or by heading to roblox.com in your favorite browser. Once you're signed in, look for the More button at the bottom right. Got it? Perfect. Tap that, then go to Settings, and from there, choose Account Info. Here's where all your account details live. Scroll down to the Personal section, and you'll see your birthday displayed. There's a little pencil icon next to it. Tap that, update your birthday to the correct date, and hit Continue. Voila, your birthday is updated. But here's the tricky part. If your account says you're under 13, Roblox won't let you change it manually. That's okay, though. There's still a way to fix it. Head over to Roblox Support by searching Roblox Support Birthday in your browser. Once you're there, you'll find instructions for users under 13. Roblox might ask for ID verification or parental consent to make the change. For ID verification, you'll need something like a passport or a driver's license. Just follow their steps to confirm your age, and Roblox Support will help you update your birthday. If you're under 13, a parent or guardian might need to step in to help. And remember, Roblox has these rules in place to keep younger users safe. If you don't have the required documents yet, you may need to wait until you're old enough to make the change. And that's it, friends. I hope this helped clear up any confusion. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.